My planet, my home. Clouds too high, the fumes too strong. Mix this cup for way too long. Add it up, don't subtract.
So today we're doing sumo deadlifts. Sam usually does sumo deadlifts all the time. I do this so to make my conventional deadlift a little bit better. We do have a 5-rep day and a 2-rep day. Because the fact that one trying to build maximum strength, one's trying to give us that volume, that hypertrophy to build larger muscles. What's going on, guys? Back with another video. Obviously, as you could tell when I was speaking, we do a 5-rep day. This is my sumo deadlift day where it comes to the accessory to my conventional. I want to just build more reps, get my quads more involved to build my bigger conventional deadlift. As you can see, we probably do about a couple sets for about 5 reps. A couple sets meaning do as much as you can or whatever you want to recover off of, and then kind of work from there. I'm going to not tend to tell you exactly what we do because the fact that everything should be catered to yourself. Here goes Sam doing 225 for about 5. You know, she's getting up there. She did do about 250, right? 250, and then you know, she kind of tweaked her back and then had the flu, so obviously you don't want to go back to the weight that you can't do. This is about, what was that, 365? No, that was actually 380. The plates were in the middle because we're trying to make, oh, actually you're doing 230, not 225. That is 230, not 225. And we were just keeping the plate so we didn't have to move so much. So yeah, I'm going to let this play out for a little bit and then catch you later when it comes to the bench press. What's up, guys? Back at it. So next is the bench press. We are doing this for about 2 reps. So as you can see, we'll warm up with the bar, 95, 135, for me at least. You can see how I'm trying to get my shoulders and traps tight to the bar so I can load and keep that placement. As you can see, my toes are a little bit closer to my waist. As well as up in the air with my heels. I tend to push off my quads and my toes. Sam kind of does the same with good technique. Here she's doing, what is that, 95 pounds?
Yeah.
No, that's 85 pounds. 85 pounds for 2. You said yes. And then as you can see, we're working up to I'm working up to 185. And then today I end up actually doing, what was that, 265? 265 was alright. I was on plan for moving up a little bit further and faster than this, but for some reason I'm trying to get my grip right on the bench. Here's a PR that Sam's about to hit for 2 reps. This is 100.
Correct.
Not 95 or 90, whatever we're off the last time. So here she goes, hitting. We're trying to keep the elbows tight. You see how she does a good job, and then she forces the elbows out when she's pulling up. And then now, getting back to my grip, I'm doing a little bit closer because I guess I'm more of a tricep bencher, and you can see with the belt that I do have that arch. You couldn't probably see it last time without the belt because the clothing was kind of scrunched out. So yeah, I'm getting my placement right, and trying to get my placement right has been kind of hard for my bench because I struggle a lot with my bench. So we're gonna keep getting at it and just moving forward and trying to add more sets, add more reps with the slingshot to add a stronger bench to my chest. And then the last thing we do for this is some Arnold's, some hammer curls, and a little bit of back work, either with the rope or the T-bar. So not too much in this. Only this is the last thing we have in here, and these are the Arnolds that Sam's doing. And then we were supersetting this. So we're doing a lot of reps with about 2 or 3 sets. Nothing too fancy, not too much to hurt ourselves. Thanks for watching.
And then hammer curls, keep the elbows tight and back, and then kind of use the forearms to move the weight.